But we as a church, the Church of Jesus Christ, not just River Valley, the Church of Jesus Christ, meaning if you are a believer, you have the responsibility for the person in the jungle, in the Middle East, in wherever, to hear.
Right.
To
it's
know.
your job
So
to bring them to Christ, no matter where in the world they are.
If you're not going to go, then you better partner with an organization that's
Mm-hmm.
sending people, and you better pray, and you better give if
Definitely.
you're not going to go.
Yeah.
And that's why I love being a part. One of the reasons I love being a part of River Valley is because we're sending teams to those parts of the world all the time.
Mm-hmm.
We're supporting organizations and missionaries that are on the ground in those parts of the world, and knowing that it's difficult and dangerous, and,
Right.
and people will have and will lose their life.
They will,
But we're still called to go. So
no matter what.
so that's
And that's a very good point that I want to bring up. If those of you who are thinking about it are scared, you know, our God doesn't want us just to go somewhere and die. Like, that's not our calling. He wants us to go and live. Like, if you can live another 20 years in a dangerous place, you're going to save way more people than if you go there and live for 20 minutes. So don't be afraid.
yeah.
And if that still isn't enough, then like Davey said, partner with people, pray with people, give, help in any way you can, because it is our job to bring more people to Christ. And even for those areas that a missionary never touches, they can still have a divine encounter or a dream and get into heaven. So the bottom line is, everyone, everywhere has an opportunity to be saved.
Yeah. And we have to do our part.
Yeah.
We have a responsibility.
We have a big responsibility.